I was kind of down a wormhole with the media over the last couple of days following the COVID stuff, and I really have to pull myself away from that because that's incredibly draining, and it's a bit daunting. So I think for all of us, it's a nice reminder to focus on the positive. And the positive really is that we're very lucky and privileged to live in Canada, where we have an excellent healthcare system that is universal. I think about people living in the US who may get incredibly sick and then end up bankrupt or unable to access care because they can't afford it. So we're incredibly lucky. In most places in Canada, we have fairly decent water and sanitation. I do have concerns for our First Nations and Inuit because of the overcrowding in their communities and the lack of accessible clean water and sanitation. And so I do really worry, having worked in a remote country and our community in Nunavut when H1N1 hit in 2009. That was very scary. And so, so I do have some concern there as well. So, but the reality is what can we do? I think the important thing is we need to focus on what we can do. We can do social distancing, which means keeping ourselves away from people by 2 to 3 meters. 1 to 3 meters is what they're saying. So it doesn't mean that we have to be locked down in our house. We can go for a walk. We can take our kids sliding. We can be outside. It's really about avoiding big crowds of over 250 people. Going to any events or conferences or travel. We should be, stopping all travel. If we can work from home, do that. If we, they're not telling us to buy in bulk. They're saying, have enough supplies for about 72 hours. And still, our food, we have lots of food. And so, there is no concern about access to food. And so, going to the grocery store is kind of if we think about red light, green light, yellow light kind of stuff, going to the grocery store is a yellow light. There's some risk involved. However, doing it as infrequently as possible, but it is something that you're going to have to do. But avoiding those red light things, right? Like any event that really isn't necessary.